Oh, the Power BI Luchador is back because we've got a whole new dark mode going on. Oh, yeah. When you last saw me, I was in the light, but now we are headed towards dark mode. Oh, Power BI Dark Mode is here. It's back, baby. That's right. When you install the latest version of Power BI Desktop, you're going to be greeted with this amazing pop-up that's just going to welcome you right into the darkness. All you have to do is click on this little button right there, and boom, you will be transformed into a dark Power BI environment where everything you click on will be activated and ready for you. All right. Now, don't worry. If you accidentally clicked away from it or didn't go into dark mode, you could switch right in. You just go into options and settings. Under personalization, there'll be a different theme you can pick. You could choose the default, which is our classic light mode stuff. You could go over to dark mode and just join the dark side. Or you could do, and I haven't seen this before, you could do system settings so that during the day you could be light mode and at night dark, or vice versa, whatever you want. I'm just going dark mode 24/7, 365 because I'm all about the darkness. All right. And when you're working in your report, everything will work and operate the way you'd expect it to. So your report pane is going to look just fine, but it's everything about Power BI, all the toolbars, tooltips, everything else is going to be in dark mode. And that is inclusive of when you go into like a table view. It's going to be this crisp, clear, wonderful black background with white text. Oh, it's going to look so fantastic. It's going to be great. Do check it out. Model view's the exact same thing. You could see incredible models, and it's all right there, and it's all in dark mode. It looks gorgeous. Query view does the exact same thing. You still get the colors inside your code, so you can still test it out right. And in dark mode, you don't have to be switching into light. Nothing's gonna break those eyes of yours. All right. And then last but not least, when you enter into Power BI, that first homepage will be in dark mode. It's this absolutely fantastic. I'm so excited that it's out there. All right, if you're as excited as I am, leave a thumbs up, share this with your friends and family, let everyone know Power BI Dark Mode is ready for you. Baker Tilly Digital combines strategic industry insight and advanced technical expertise to uncover and solve your digital transformation challenges. If you're interested in learning more, check out our website at bakertilly.com/digital.